Okay, please focus camera here. So I am going to explain the instrumental reef knot how to make. So I have passed this needle through the tissue, and this is the short limb, the needle side, long limb. Okay. So simple principle is that if short limb is away from you, you start with the right turn. This is right turn, and this is left turn. If you start from the turning it from the anterior side, this is right turn. From the back, this is the reverse turn. Okay. So if short limb is away from you, you should start with the right turn. For the proline, we use 2 right turns. Okay. Then hold the short limb, cross it in opposite direction at 180 degree. Okay. Don't strangulate the tissue, just approximate it. Okay. This is especially for the juniors who think main strengths come from the tissue squeezing. That's incorrect. Okay. So this is the first one. To make it reef knot, I will again give the reverse turn. Previously I used a right turn, anterior turn. Now I use the reverse turn. This is the reverse turn. Then I hold the short limb. Again I cross it in opposite direction. Okay, at 180 degree. Okay, then you can say